Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the calendar function in the Bangkok Airways application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the Settings button. And at the App Settings section, click on the white circle next to the Calendar button to enable it. And from now on, if you have any upcoming flights or trips, it will automatically appear in your phone's calendar as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.